How can I call from internet to mobile phone free calling? I have used 15 apps which claims that they provide free calling from unknown or private number. But, most of these apps are not free or nor working properly. Finally, I may search finish with an awesome free app that really gives you free call facility with unknown/private number, unlimited. Let's check out. Step 1. First get this awesome app, Indie Call. Step 2. In this app, you don't require to sign up or register yourself. Just open this app and give the required permission to this app to work properly. Step 3. Now dial any number with country code from the dial pad. You can also make calls to any other country, USA, Canada, UK, etc. Just enter the number with country code. Step 4. Finally, when you call, the recipient will receive a call from a completely unknown number. There is only one limitation which you can bear, that this app allows call duration up to 60 seconds at a time. As it is completely free unlimited, you can call again unlimited times.